All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
In a groundbreaking development, India has unveiled its most potent non-nuclear explosive, SEBEX-2. This development, born from the ingenious minds at Economic Explosives Ltd., a solar industries subsidiary in Nagpur, is set to transform the landscape of military technology. India's Big Bang Theory. Economic Explosives Ltd., a subsidiary of Solar Industries in Nagpur, has developed 3 new explosive formulations that, due to their enhanced firepower and explosive effect, could transform the Indian Armed Forces under the Make in India initiative. Certified by the Indian Navy, SEBEX-2, alongside SITBEX-1 and SIMEX-4, exemplifies India's advancement in military technology. These innovations not only enhance national security but also open doors for significant export opportunities and contribute to global security efforts. SEBEX-2 is distinguished as a high-performance explosive with a TNT equivalence of 2.01, surpassing existing solid explosives in potency. Harnessing a high-melting explosive, HMX, composition, SEBEX-2 amplifies the effectiveness and lethality of warheads, aerial bombs, artillery shells, and other munitions without adding weight. With its higher TNT equivalence, SEBEX-2 promises enhanced lethality and destructive power compared to conventional explosives like DENTEX and TOPEX, marking a breakthrough in explosives technology. Conventional explosives typically used globally in warheads and munitions have a TNT equivalence ranging from 1.25 to 1.30, according to Solar Industries. Currently, India's most potent conventional explosive is deployed in the BrahMos missile warhead, boosting a TNT equivalence of approximately 1.50. SEBEX-2 has successfully completed evaluation, testing, and certification under the Navy's Defense Export Promotion Scheme, finalizing certifications recently. Officials have noted that the development of this explosive will significantly enhance the potency and efficiency of weapons and ammunition currently in use. SEBEX-2 is among the most potent non-nuclear explosives globally, ready to revolutionize various munitions without compromising weight. Older types of non-nuclear explosives include traditional options like gunpowder, volatile petroleum-based fuels such as gasoline, and other chemical reactions. Additionally, Economic Explosives Limited is progressing towards the development of another variant with a TNT equivalence of 2.3, expected to be completed within the next 6 months. SITBEX-1 and SIMEX-4. SEBEX-2 isn't flying solo. Its siblings, SITBEX-1 and SIMEX-4, are equally impressive. The Indian Navy certified SITBEX-1 alongside SEBEX-2. This thermobaric explosive is renowned for its sustained blast and intense heat output, which make it exceptionally effective for demolishing enemy bunkers, tunnels, and fortified structures. Additionally, SIMEX-4 has secured certification as an insensitive munition, ensuring heightened safety during handling, transport, and storage. Contribution of Solar Group in India's explosives production. The masterminds behind this explosive revolution, Solar Group, are no strangers to pushing boundaries. Economic Explosives Ltd., a non-government company established on 16 August 1995, is primarily engaged in the manufacturing of metals, chemicals, and related products. It operates under the Solar Group, a prominent entity in the defense and industrial explosives sector. They're the wizards behind a range of military-grade explosives and high-performance explosive compositions, from HMX to TNT and RDX. HMX. Solar Group has facilities for producing HMX and HMX compounds, including those coated with high-melting waxes and synthetic polymers like wheaton. These coatings enhance phlegmatization and reduce sensitivity, making HMX compositions suitable for various military and civil applications. TNT. Solar Group produces flake TNT, Type I, which is essential for ammunition and warhead production. TNT is widely used in military, industrial, and mining applications and in the manufacture of warhead compositions and ammunition. RDX. Solar Group manufactures the latest insensitive RDX, which significantly reduces shock sensitivity in RDX-based compositions. Additionally, they produce RDX coated with high melting waxes and synthetic polymers like Wheaton. These RDX compositions are utilized in various military and civil applications, including melt-casted and pressed military charges, cast-cured charges for insensitive munitions, IM, pyrotechnics, cap relay, cutting codes, detonators, and initiation and main charges for oil well perforating charges. SCBEX2 echoes India's defense ambitions. In FY 2023-24, India's defense exports soared to 21,083 crore rupees, approximately $2.63 billion, marking a 32.5% growth from the previous year's 15,920 crore rupees. With a target of achieving $5 billion in defense exports by FY 2024-25, India positions itself as a major player in global defense markets. According to the Observatory of Economic Complexity, OEC, a data visualization and distribution platform, India exported $72.9 million worth of explosive ammunition in 2022, ranking as the 26th largest exporter globally in this category. The primary destinations for India's explosive ammunition exports include France, $35.6 million, Russia, $8.83 million, Belgium, $8.12 million, Spain, $5.16 million, and Israel, $3.68 million. In November 2023, amidst rising defense exports, both state-owned Munitions India Limited, MIL, and Economic Explosives Limited, EEL, urged the Defense Ministry to expand port facilities, particularly on the western coast. This expansion aims to streamline the handling and export of RDX, TNT, and ammunition, reduce cost, enhance infrastructure capacity, and reduce logistical complexities and transit times associated with these sensitive materials. India is not only fortifying its own defenses but also positioning itself as a formidable player in the global arms market. Officials stressed that these innovations could redefine global security paradigms, emphasizing their transformative potential for armed forces worldwide. SCBEX2 represents a milestone in India's military technology landscape, reinforcing defense capabilities and fostering strategic collaborations in global security. With ongoing advancements, India stands ready to shape the future of military explosives.